Did you know that living independently as a senior can actually improve your health and happiness? In this video, we'll explore 9 surprising benefits of senior independent living that might change the way you think about aging. Have you ever wondered if living alone in your later years could actually be good for you? Many people assume that senior independent living is lonely or unsafe, but that's not always the case. In fact, it can offer some amazing advantages that you might not have considered before. In the next few minutes, we'll uncover 9 incredible benefits of senior independent living that could revolutionize your perspective on aging. Understanding these benefits could be the key to maintaining your independence and living a fulfilling life as you grow older. So, if you're curious about how living on your own can positively impact your golden years, keep watching. You might be surprised by what you learn. Now let's talk about freedom. Have you ever felt like your daily routine was dictated by others? What if I told you that living independently as a senior could actually increase your sense of purpose and control over your life? This might sound counterintuitive, but it's true. Senior independent living offers a level of autonomy that can be truly liberating. Imagine waking up each day with the power to shape your life exactly as you want it. No more compromising on your schedule or adjusting your preferences to suit others. In an independent living situation, you have complete control over your daily routines and personal space. Want to stay up late watching your favorite classic movies? Go for it. Prefer to have breakfast at noon? That's entirely up to you. This freedom extends beyond just your daily schedule. It opens up a world of possibilities for pursuing hobbies, interests, and social activities without compromise. Always wanted to learn to paint, but never had the time. Now you can set up an easel in your living room and create masterpieces whenever inspiration strikes. Passionate about gardening? You can cultivate a beautiful balcony garden or join a community gardening group. The beauty of senior independent living is that it allows for new discoveries and personal growth, even in later years. Take Margaret, for example. At 72, she moved into her own apartment and discovered a passion for creative writing. With the freedom to structure her days as she pleased, she joined a local writers group and has since published 2 short story collections. Margaret's story is just one example of how the autonomy of independent living can lead to unexpected and fulfilling new chapters in life. This level of control over your life isn't just about convenience or pursuing hobbies. It can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. Research has shown that having autonomy in daily life can significantly boost self-esteem and life satisfaction in older adults. When you're in charge of your own decisions, big and small, it reinforces a sense of capability and independence that's incredibly empowering. Moreover, this independence can actually strengthen your relationships with family and friends. When you're not relying on others for daily support, your interactions can focus more on quality time and shared experiences, rather than caregiving duties. This shift often leads to more meaningful and enjoyable connections with loved ones. Have you ever considered that having your own space might be the key to unlocking a new level of connection with your loved ones? It's time to challenge the notion that living alone means being lonely. In fact, senior independent living can lead to more meaningful and satisfying relationships with family and friends. When you live independently, you have the power to choose when and how you socialize. This selective approach to interaction can actually strengthen your bonds with others. Instead of feeling obligated to participate in every family gathering or social event, you can engage when you're truly ready and excited to do so. This shift in perspective can make each interaction more enjoyable and meaningful. Think about it. When you're not relying on others for daily support, your time together becomes focused on quality experiences rather than caregiving duties. You might find yourself having deeper conversations, sharing new experiences, or simply enjoying each other's company without the stress of daily responsibilities looming over you. Take Sarah, for example. At 68, she moved into her own apartment after years of living with her daughter's family. Initially, she worried about feeling isolated. However, she soon discovered that her relationships improved dramatically. "Now when I see my grandkids, it's special," Sarah shared. "We plan fun outings and really make the most of our time together. I feel like I'm truly present in their lives, not just a background figure." This selective socialization can also reduce stress and increase your enjoyment of social activities. When you're in control of your social calendar, you can choose events and gatherings that truly align with your interests and energy levels. No more forcing yourself to attend functions out of obligation. You can focus on the interactions that bring you genuine joy and fulfillment. Moreover, living independently can give you the space to nurture friendships outside of family circles. You might join a local club, take up a new hobby, or volunteer in your community. These activities not only broaden your social network, but also provide opportunities for meaningful connections based on shared interests and experiences. It's important to remember that quality trumps quantity when it comes to relationships. Independent living allows you to invest your time and energy into the connections that matter most to you. This focused approach often leads to deeper, more fulfilling relationships in your later years, but the benefits don't stop there. The autonomy of independent living can also boost your confidence and sense of self-worth. When you're managing your own household and social life, you're continually proving to yourself and others that you're capable and self-reliant. This increased self-esteem can positively impact all your relationships, allowing you to engage with others from a place of strength and independence. As your confidence grows, so does your potential for discovery. But here's a question that might surprise you. Could your greatest period of personal growth be just beginning? Many seniors are finding that independent living isn't just about maintaining their lifestyle, it's about reinventing it. Living independently as a senior isn't just about having your own space. It's an opportunity for tremendous personal growth and self-discovery. When you're responsible for your daily life, you naturally develop stronger problem-solving skills and self-reliance. Each day brings new challenges, from figuring out how to fix a leaky faucet to navigating public transportation. These small victories add up, boosting your confidence and resilience in ways you might not expect. Think about it. When was the last time you surprised yourself by learning something new? Independent living creates countless opportunities for these moments. Take Frank, for example. At 72, he moved into his own apartment and decided to try his hand at cooking for the first time. What started as a necessity quickly became a passion. Now, 3 years later, Frank hosts weekly dinner parties for his neighbors, sharing his latest culinary creations. Or consider Maria, who discovered her talent for painting at 68. With the freedom to arrange her space and time as she pleased, Maria set up a small art studio in her spare room. She started by watching online tutorials and practicing daily. Today, her watercolors are displayed in a local gallery, and she teaches art classes at the community center. These stories aren't exceptions. They're becoming the norm for many older adults embracing independent living. The key is that when you're on your own, you're free to explore interests and talents without judgment or interruption. You might find yourself picking up a long-forgotten hobby or discovering an entirely new passion. But it's not just about hobbies. Living independently can lead to profound personal growth in other areas too. Many seniors report feeling more in tune with their emotional needs and better equipped to handle stress. They develop stronger boundaries in relationships and become more comfortable expressing their opinions and desires. This continuous personal growth can lead to a more fulfilling and purposeful life in your later years. When you're constantly learning and evolving, you maintain a sense of curiosity about the world around you. This curiosity keeps you engaged, active, and young at heart. Moreover, the self-reliance that comes with independent living can be incredibly empowering. Each time you solve a problem or overcome a challenge on your own, you're reinforcing your capability and independence. This can have a positive ripple effect on all aspects of your life, from your relationships to your overall outlook. It's important to remember that growth doesn't stop at a certain age. In fact, many people find that their senior years offer the perfect opportunity for self-discovery and personal development. With fewer work and family responsibilities, you have the time and space to focus on yourself in ways you might never have before. As we've explored, senior independent living offers a wealth of benefits. From the freedom to shape your daily life to strengthening relationships and discovering new passions, it's clear that living on your own can be incredibly rewarding. But how might these advantages apply to your life or the lives of your loved ones? Consider the joy of waking up each day with the power to choose your activities, or the satisfaction of mastering a new skill without anyone looking over your shoulder. Think about the meaningful conversations you could have with family when you're not relying on them for daily care. Imagine the sense of accomplishment from solving problems on your own and growing more confident with each passing day. Remember, aging doesn't mean giving up your independence. It can be an opportunity to create the life you've always wanted, filled with purpose, growth, and meaningful connections.